I assume that you have been out, I'm guessing hunting. I mean, since you have come back with a nice plump rat. But that's not the point. What I mean is, you should probably go add that to the fresh kill pile, unless you're gonna eat it. But of course the leader would like you to feed it to the clan. Oh. Oh, hey, didn't see you there, Puddle Shine. Yeah, no, oh, Leaf Star, yeah, I can go hunting again and catch stuff for the clan. Oh dear, I swear, ThunderClan's useless kitty pets are gonna someday be better than us. ShadowClan. So yeah, you better go hunting because Petalshine needs prey. She's gonna give birth soon, and she's gonna be starving half to death because of you and my useless clan. Go hunt now, please. Ugh. Oh no, it's the baby. Hurry, go get the medicine cat now. Oh no, it's coming, I can tell. Oh, the baby. The kids? What kids? Oh. But I'm not ready. Oh no, how many? When? Is Petalshine okay? Oh, she's not ready. Okay, I'll go right away. Oh.